Hey, the voice alligator package got an update and is now at version 1.2. There were some minor bug fixes, but primarily voice alligator audio tilde got some new features. This external is inspired by a video Philip Meyer did some weeks ago, dealing with voice allocation in the signal domain. I'll put the link into the description. The primary change for version 1.2 is that voice alligator audio tilde now has way less attributes. Most of the settings are now set by methods, so by sending messages to the external. We can print these settings to the console by using the print message or by double-clicking the object. Let me double-click the object. Okay. Now what do these settings do? Let's look at the pitch setting. Right now we have enabled the scale attribute. This will make it so instead of working with frequencies, we work with MIDI notes. So as we can see, there's nothing connected to the pitch inlet. It's this inlet. In signal domain, we can say the pitch inlet always receives a 0 on each sample because of the flow of data never stops in the signal domain. So if the pitch inlet receives a 0 at the time of trigger, it will use the internal pitch setting, which right now is 50. Let's hear it. I'll turn on the audio. We have to wait a bit. I'm at a very low frequency of triggering, but you can hear that the MIDI note 50 is triggered on each impulse. Now with the new design for this version, I wanted to solve a particular problem which comes up in signal domain triggering of notes, which is, what if we wanted to play a chord on a single trigger on the same instrument? For this, we have this new message format. So by clicking the second message, I now set up the external to trigger the pitches 50 and 60. Click second message, turn on audio. Okay, so now we can hear that on each trigger we actually have two notes. Those notes will start on the exact same sample. Okay. Every one of the parameters printed can be set with these types of messages. The longest of the messages / settings will decide how many notes are fired on a single impulse. So turning this back on and going back to 50. And now I can also turn this back on and assign different attack lengths to the two notes. So note 50 has an attack of 1000, note 60 has an attack of 7. And you can see they are always being allocated in a round-robin fashion. Can also set the attack for both to 1000. And we could also set the pitch to 50, but set the attack to 1007. This way we get 2 times a pitch 50 with different curves. Okay. So that's the main new feature of voice alligator audio. There are also some different new features which I'm not going to go into, but yeah, the package is not yet out via the package manager. You can download the package from my GitHub, and to install it, just put it into your package folder. Maybe you need to restart Max or something so that it gets recognized. Thanks for watching.